What we do first is we take our corrugated paper and we're gonna glue both ends together with the hot glue. Just gonna glue it. Then once it's glued, I don't want it to be round, I want it to be more oval shape, so I'm just pressing it a little bit like that. And now I need to measure the size of the bottom that I need for my bag. What I'll do now is glue gun both ends. You can either glue gun it first and then cut it around, or you can mark around it. Just put a hand. I can show you. Maybe I'll do it this way. You just make on the other side. Doesn't matter, because anyway they're going to be shown. Just leaving a little bit more space in case it moved a little bit and it wasn't correctly marked. Okay. And now we're just gonna glue it. I'm gonna put glue around it because we don't want to have holes in our bag. So I'm putting glue all around it. Okay. And now I'm gonna put the okay.